and allow S1000D technical publications in Teamcenter Active Workspace. In this video, we will review how we can edit and create S1000D Data Modules using the MITIM XML Editor. In the Teamcenter Active Workspace dashboard, I'm going to my Home folder. In the Home folder, I have a Gimbal Assembly Components Maintenance publication. Let's open it in Active Content. And now, on the left side, you see the structure of the S1000D publication module. You see it contains front matter, introduction, description, and internal data modules. Here in the Overview panel, we see the information and we can click the Content panel. And we will see the publication module content in read-only mode. If we go to a data module, for example, laser assembly, the data module will be shown in the content panel in read-only mode by default. We can review the data module to see all the text and illustrations. Let's, for example, open the Illustrated Parts data module. Here we have the Gimbal Assembly Illustrated Parts data module. Illustrations are loaded from Teamcenter. The data module contains 5 illustrations for the figure, and here we have detail parts list. We can use zoom and full screen mode. Also, directly from Teamcenter Active Workspace, we can create new S1000D data modules and edit existing ones. So for this, let's go to the cleaning section. Select the Cleaning Gimbal Assembly data module. It contains some applicability and procedure. Let's change the procedure. For this, I'm clicking Check Out. Now the data module is checked out by me and I can click Edit. And we are in editing mode. You see tags, you see the XML structure. You can click Full Screen. And here, let's go to the first step and change it a bit. For example, at the end, we will add Next, let's create a note. We have warning, caution, note. Select note. And here in the text, let's type. Next, we can add a figure for which I'm selecting the end of the step. I'm clicking Insert Illustration. I'm selecting Insert Figure. At first, the title of our new figure. Let's name it. Next, we can double-click on the image to start the Update Graphics dialog. I know the ICN and I will search for the specific number. I see an image with my 4 lenses and click Insert. Okay, we changed the procedure and added a new illustration. Let's also add an ID for the figure. Here you see the figure ID and ICN. It also has some hotspots. That's all. Now I can save. Saved successfully. And I can check in. This checks in the document and it is shown again in read-only mode. It contains our text, notes, and new illustrations. We can exit from full screen. Next, let's create a new data module for the same section. I'm selecting Cleaning Inspection. Clicking Add and next clicking Child. Here in Topic Type, I will select S1000D Data Module 4 or 5. I will select Description as reference. I will select the English language. In the module identification code, I will type Gimbal. I will use the same system and subsystem, and for assembly I will use the same disassembly. For information code I will use 041 like description, information code variant A. I need to type a technical name. And information name. Security class 01 and responsible partner company named Gimbal Technologies. Now I can click Add. You see, the new data module is created directly in our structure and initially the document does not exist. I need to click Generate Document. Generate Document completed successfully. Let's refresh the view. And now I have a document, so I can click Checkout. I can click Edit. Let's open in full screen. And now in the description section, let's create a new para. And here, let's type. And next, let's insert a figure. I will use an existing illustration. First, I need to type the title. Next, double-click on the image, and for now I will click Browse from Computer and will use the existing SVG file. It has two callouts for lasers. And it is added to the data module. Let's make a legend. And I will use the ordered list here. So the first one is laser 5. And the second one is laser 55. As a result, I have created a data module, added text and illustration. Next, we can add a table, references, etc. Okay, let's save. And check in. Let's exit from full screen. Now you see our data module is shown in read-only mode. What we can do next is publish it to PDF. Now there are no publications in attachments. To publish the data module, I need to click More Commands, Next Share, and click Publish. Publish to PDF. And finish. The publishing request is pushed to the server. Okay, let's check the result. So now in Attachments, I see the composed document. I can open it. And it has a PDF attachment. This is our published data module. And Jalal, S1000D Technical Publications in Teamcenter Active Workspace.